GrooveBlog tutorial, how to start a blog step by step for beginners. In this video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how you can easily start your blog with GrooveBlog. So let's get started. So if you're interested to start writing your blog today with GrooveBlog, then you can sign up for free. So just click on the link in the description below. Alright, so I already logged in and here's the dashboard over here. So you can see from your quick links, the GrooveBlog app is over here. So if you can't find the GrooveBlog over here, then no worries guys, just go up here at the top left corner and you will see all the Groove apps here. And you can also find here the GrooveBlog, which is over here. So just click on it and you'll be prompted to this page, and all you need to do is to click on new blog to get started. And here, just enter your blog name. So for example, my blog name will be my travel blog. And then I can also add my subdomain here. So for example, my travel blog test. And you can also choose a language here, but I will just keep mine English. And then just click done. And it will load, so just wait for the load to finish. And now here's our published dashboard, and over here, as you can see, there is a auto-populate post here, and you can either edit this post or you can delete this post. It's up to you. And over here in the left side hand panel, there are a few tabs here that are laid out similar to WordPress, but it's less overwhelming. So you have your home tab here. This is the previous page before we redirected here inside our publish dashboard. And this is your publish, and this is your publish dashboard as well. And you also have a post under here. And here in your post, you can edit or delete this auto-populated post that you have in your account. And also it's where you can add your new post. So to add a new post, just click up here, add new post, and it will redirect you to this page where you can start writing your post. So we can write our post here. We can start it by entering our title, and that's our title. And here we can add our description as well. All right, so we have now our short description here about our blog post. And the next thing that we can do here is to add subheader. So what I can do here next is that I will just highlight this text. So what I can do here is that I can change my text style. I can make it bold, italic, or underline. But now I will just go ahead and click this drop down arrow over here, and I can choose different heading for this text. So we have heading 1, heading 2. So I will just choose heading 2, and your text will be like this. And let me just go ahead and highlight it again, and I will just make it bold. So now we have our subheader over here. So let me just go ahead and add more text here. So for example, these are the ways to work and travel. So I will just highlight this text again and a new tab appear. And over here, I can make this text as a list. So for example, I can add numeric list here, or I can also make this one as a bullet list. And then I can also add some color to the text here. So for example, I will be changing the text color to blue. So let me just go ahead and select blue here. So as you can see, we have now our colored text over here. So to add video and images here, it's just super easy guys. So I will just click enter from my keyboard, and then you have this plus icon over here. Just click on this plus icon and you can see you can add images here, videos, or also embed code. So I will just go ahead and select video here, and it will redirect me to this page. So here's my video library. I already added a video here, and to add a new video, just go to external, and here just name your video. So for example, test, and the next thing that you can do is that just paste your video URL over here, and once done, just click save, and once you save it, then it will be added inside your video library just like this one. So let me just select this, and also I will click select here, and it will be added here in our blog post. So let me just close this one first, the post settings. We will be discussing that one later on. So going forward, we can also add the images here. So same with the images, just click the add icon and click on the image icon. And here you can upload your own image. So I already have my image here. And you can also make use of the free stock photos. So you just need to search here, for example, computer. So just search it and it will give you some result here, and you can get this photo over here and you can make use of this photo, add in your library, and make use of this in your blog post. So let me just go ahead and make use of my photo here that I uploaded. So I will click the select over here again. And as you can see here, the image has been added here in my blog post. And lastly, what we can do here is that we can also add some link to our text or phrases. So for example, for the start freelancing, and if I have a different blog that further discuss about starting freelancing or about how to start freelancing, then I can just highlight this one, and here I can add some link. So I will just copy and then paste the link here, and then I will just click save. So we are done writing our new post. So the next thing that we can do is to set up our post settings. So just go up here, the gear icon, just click on it, and here your post settings. So first you can add your featured image. So just click on choose. So let me just make use of the image that I have here, and I will just click the select over here again. So next is our post slug. So this will be the text that you can see after your domain. As you can see here from your view page, you have here this text, how to work and travel over here. And also this is our subdomain. And then the next thing that we can do here is to set up our publish date. You can just select the date here that you want to schedule. For example, I will select here on the 17th, and then just click next. And here you can also choose a time, if what time you want your post to be published online, and then just click OK. And then the next thing that we can do here is that we can also add our blog post to different categories. So we have different category here to add our blog post. For example, I will add this one to tips and tricks, and also you can add your new category here if you like to. And then you can add more keywords here, and these keywords can help you with your SEO. So just enter all the keywords here that can be related to your blog post or to your topic. And then you have your excerpt here. This will be the short description about your blog post, and it has 200 characters limit only. And then here you can also allow comments or no comments. I will just keep it no comments. And the next thing that we can do here is to edit the metadata. So metadata, this is another short description about your post, and the text you enter here will be the description that will appear in Google if your content will be recommended in the Google search. So you can only enter 160 characters here inside your metadata description. And also you can enter your meta keywords here, and you also have your edit open graph here. So you can select a OG type. So for example, here your blog, and you can also add your OG description here and OG image. So this open graph will be your meta tags that control how your links are displayed on social media. And lastly, for custom code, you can add any CSS or custom codes if you want to over here. So once you're done setting everything here inside your post settings, then you can either save draft or schedule your post. So for save draft, this is good if you want to pause from writing your content and will continue later on. Then just click save draft so that it will save in your account. And for schedule, you can go ahead and schedule your post once you are done with your post and ready to publish. And as you can see here, our post has been scheduled successfully. So let me just go back to our dashboard. So I will just click this back arrow, and let me just save this one. So here in the post dashboard, you can see all your blog posts here, and you can either edit or delete your blog post. To edit it, you can just simply click this open editor. And to delete your blog post, you just need to click on this three dots icon over here. And as you can see, you have option to edit, delete, or clone this blog post. And here at the top right corner, you can also see the button to add a new post. And here you can also filter the blog post that will display here in your post dashboard. So you can filter it by categories. So here you can see all your categories here. We have the latest, tips and tricks, must read, productivity. So if these categories doesn't match your topic or your blog, then you can change or edit these categories here. And before I will show you how you can do that, you can also, by the way, organize the blog post that will display inside your post dashboard. So you can organize it by last published, or you can also organize it older first, fewer first, only draft, only live, or only scheduled blog post. So let's just go to our left side panel, and over here let's choose the categories tab. And as you can see here, you can see all your categories. So we have here the latest, tips and tricks, must read, productivity. So from here, we can edit these categories if we like to. So we just need to go here and click this action drop down arrow. So for example, this one. And as you can see, you have your option here to edit or delete this category. So for example, we will be editing this category. So we can change the name here. So let's name it like test. And here you can also add your slug. So the slug will be the name after the subdomain. So for example, this one, yourblogName.com /your slug name over here. And you can also, you need to add description to complete this setup. So just click update after. And after that, you can see here our category changed successfully. So to delete this category, you just need to go to action drop down arrow again and just select delete. Alright, so yes, delete it. And to add more category, you also have your button here, add new category. So just click on it. Alright, and as you can see here, a new category has been added in our categories list. So the next tab is your themes. So you can also set up your own theme here if what your blog website will be look like for your viewers or for your readers. So here, as you can see, this is the current theme that we have. So this will be the current theme that we have here as a default, and we can customize our theme. So just click here. Alright, and as you can see here as default, this is what your blog website look like for your readers or for your visitors, and you can customize this one according to your like. So just go to this settings, this gear icon up here. So just click on it. And as you can see here, you have your appearance setting. So you can customize the appearance. First, you can change the heading font style of your blog. So just click this one. And then over here, you can also adjust the font size of your heading. You have three options here for small, medium, and large. Let me select medium. And then also you have your body font style here. And also you can customize the color of your blog. So first, you can change the color of your heading font. So this one here, so I will just keep it black. And then you can also change the body font. And for links, you can also change the color of the link here. And also you can change the buttons here. So this is the color of this one. As you can see, we have button here for our Groovy newsletter. And then you can also change the color of your button text. It's up to you guys on how you can style your blog website. And then let's go to our layout. Alright, so here in your layout, you can also customize and change your homepage. So you have your show sidebar or not. The sidebar will be this one over here, where you can also see your popular posts and your newsletter. So this is your sidebar. So we can disable this one or remove this one if you like to. So just disable it. And as you can see here, we don't have any sidebar anymore. But let me just go ahead and add the sidebar. And the next one is show categories. So as you can see here in your blog post, you have your categories here. So this category is productivity and tips, as you can see here. So you just need to disable this. And as you can see here, your categories has been hidden. So if you want to show your categories again, just enable it. And then you also have your option here to show opt-in form. So if you don't want to, then this Groovy newsletter will be removed, as you can see. And then you also have your option here to show dates. So as you can see here in our blog, we also have this date here display. So if you want to remove that, then you can also remove that. And also the number of posts that you want to display in your blog. Or you can also make it as a list. So something like this. So this is now the list. And then you can also, by the way, change the other pages layout. So you have your home page here. You also have your post page. So let me just go ahead and go to our post page. And over here, you can also change your post page design or styles. You can just remove the sidebar, or you can also remove your dates over here in your blog post. It will depend on you. So I will just keep it as it is. And then you can also go to your categories. And this is your categories here for your blog. So let me just go ahead and change it to list, the post style. So I guess that's all here. So let me just go ahead and close this one, and you can save this. All right, so we save our new theme now. And by the way, you also have your arrow here to go to different pages of your blog. So here we are in category page. You can also go to your post page, or you can also go to your home page. So let me just go back to the theme dashboard again, and let's go to our navigation tab again. So as you can see here, these are the navigation tab that you can see from your blog website. So here you can simply edit this one. So just click this three dots and you have option to edit or delete this. Or you can also add more navigation. So just click this add icon, and then you can add the name of the link here, for example, test. And then you also have your link URL here. And also you have option here if you want this one or this new navigation to be added in your top navigation or footer navigation. So the footer one will be navigation link to the bottom of your blog. So that will be your footer navigation. So let me just go ahead and add this one to our top navigation. So I will just click add. And then as you can see here, the new test navigation has been added. So you also have your call to action button here, which is the get started for free. You can disable this one not to be shown in your blog, or you can also enable it. And then you can also change the text over here. So you have your option to edit here. And then also if you want to add a different link to this button, then you can also change it here. You can just copy and paste your own URL link over here if you like to. So let me just go ahead and click the update. So the next one is categories. So here you can see your categories here. And over here, you cannot edit your categories here, but you can delete your categories or your navigation over here. And before we end our video, let me also give you just a short information under your settings. So here in your settings, you can also set your SEO. And here you can also, by the way, change your domain. So here we currently have this published to the subdomain, and this is our domain now that we have. When someone visit our blog or go to our blog, this will be the URL that will display. If you want to get your custom domain, like you want to remove this GrooveBlog, then you can also do that. You just need to go to publish to the root domain, and here you can edit your domain, and here you can just select the custom domain, and here you can select your own domain. So just click manage, and then click on add a domain, and over here you have your step-by-step on how you can change your domain or create your own custom domain. So you just need to follow this one for you to complete the process of getting your own domain. So let me just go ahead and cancel this. And also you can add your social link here. So for example, you want to add your Facebook account, your Instagram, your Pinterest, or your Twitter account over here. So just copy and paste your link over here. So for the forms, this one, you've seen this one from our blog earlier, that there is a form there. The name of the form is Groovy Newsletter. You can change it here. And also you can change the description of the forms over here. And lastly, the copyright. So from your footer, you have this copyright. You can also change this one over here if you like to. So I guess that's all for today's video. So if you're interested to start your blog within GrooveBlog, then you can just simply click in the description below to sign up for free. So I hope that you learned something from this video, and thank you so much for your time watching this video.